if you're experiencing login issues with Kirkwood Bank and Trust, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use the SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear your browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Step 4. Try a different browser or device. If the issue persists, attempt to log in using a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the problem is browser-specific. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Kirkwood Bank and Trust customer support for assistance. They can provide further guidance and help resolve your login issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues you encounter. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.